spicy design bun we have done. You can see how it is, and I hope you will enjoy. Come, we will see how this is prepared. Actually, to tell you the truth, it's very nice, and we will see how it's prepared and what time to serve. We are going to make, for that we need the filling. First we will make the filling, and then we will see what we are going to do it. Onions, ginger garlic, carrot, capsicum, cabbage, potatoes, all that. We'll see how we are going to do. And sausage also, tomatoes. We'll see how it is done. First thing, I'm going to put a little oil. Any oil that you like, vegetable oil or any oil, say about a tablespoon of oil. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. Those we will add first. Then we add the onions. Either you can add the onions or we can use a bit of ginger and garlic. First, slightly temper. When it is almost getting tempered, we will add the finely chopped capsicum, 1 green chili. Capsicum is not very spicy, so 1 green chili also, cabbage, all that we put first. Curry leaves, break it up and use it. All vegetables. Either you can use sausage or without it. Some they don't want any non-veg, so you can omit the non-veg also. Either you can use chicken, sausage, or you can use fish, prawns finely chopped. While you are tempering, we will add the salt. Into that I will add the potatoes, boiled chopped potatoes. That also we will use it. Now I will add the turmeric. It's about half a teaspoon turmeric. Pepper, chili powder. I am not using any sauces, but I will use the tomatoes lastly. Right. The filling is ready. We'll see. I don't use too much of oil, so not good for health. So we will use, but we need oil. Now that is ready. This is the bun. To make the bun, the dough, the bread dough. See how we have mixed the bread dough. Make use of what I am doing it for you all, so that you will know. Should not. For 1 teaspoon yeast, 2 teaspoon sugar, and a tablespoon of tepid water, that is blood heat water that you take. So all that is taken, mixed and kept at least for 10 minutes. That's how I do it. This is my version of the bread dough, easy for everyone to do. So please try it out like that. Once it is fermented, you put 500 grams of flour and 1 tablespoon butter, and you can use 1 cup milk and a cup of water. Mix it, the bread dough, cover and keep at least for 1 hour. Till it doubles, you keep it. After that, you knead it well and use as you want, either dinner buns, pizza, whatever you like you can use, and you can do it so that it will be tasty. Nicely cut it. Butter it nicely. I made it small. Now what I am going to do is egg yolk, a bit of milk, mix it, Spread it over. We are going to bake this now. I am going to bake this now. 20 minutes baking, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, bake for 20 minutes. Bake this for 20 minutes and take it, and it will be beautiful. We can see how it looks. Roll the dough thick and lengthwise, and you can put the filling and you can design it and then bake it. Before baking, what did I do? I put a little egg yolk and a little milk, brushed it and did, so that it will give a good finish. See how it looks. I am going to decorate this also. So we will decorate nicely. Parsley is also very healthy. I have told you several times. Parsley is good. You must eat the parsley. Curry leaves, all that is good, healthy. You have to have it. Cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, all those are good for us. So all that we have put, spices and not too many spicy like chilies and all, we don't need much, but you have to have the spices which I have told you, and it's very nice, tasty. Prepare like this and see how it comes. Next episode with another recipe I will come back, so you will enjoy that also. Bye from me now.